Listen and practice.
Hello, what is your name?
Hello, my name is Hari.
Which class do you study in?
I am studying in standard 10th A.
Who is your class teacher?
Mr. Ram Joshi is my class teacher.
Hari, do you like game?
Yes, I like game very much.
Which game do you particularly like?
I enjoy playing table tennis.
Oh, so you like table tennis very much, don't you? I do too. Because it gives plenty of physical exercise and keep me quite fit for studies. What about you? Why do you like table tennis?
I like it for the same reason.
Nice to meet you.
Me too.
See you tomorrow.
Okay. Bye.
Bye bye.